Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to learn about the structure initialization in the C language. So we have defined and declared the variables in the C language. Then we will see how to initialize the variables. So defining and declaring not only is sufficient, right? So we have to initialize the variable. That means we have to give some values for that variables. So here in the structure initializations we are going to initialize the variables in two ways, that is along with the declaration and after the declaration. Okay, so here initializing the values along with declaration. Okay, initialization with the declaration. So here the syntax is struct keyword followed by tag name variable equals to value1 comma value2 and so on. Okay, so here for initializations we need equal to, that is assignment operator, followed by parenthesis and the number of values. So and the number of values must be separated by the commas, so close parenthesis and a semicolon at the end of the initialization part. Okay, so we need for initialization assignment operator, parenthesis, comma and semicolon, and the struct keyword, tag name and variable name. So these are things that we need for the initialization of the structure variable. So now let us see an example here. Struct to book. So I am going to take a structure name, that is book, and I am going to save the details here of the book, that is title, book number and price. So here the title is of character type with the 25 bytes length, and book number is of int type and price is of float type. So here struct to book B1 equals to C programming 100, 125.0, that is the price. So here I am going to initialize the variables with the declaration. Okay, so here I am declaring the variable B1. So along with the declaration I am going to initialize the values here itself. So struct to book B1 equals to C programming, that is the title of the book, and book number is 100 and price is 125.0, that is 125 rupees is the price, right? So like this we can initialize the variables along with the declaration. So next we will see the initialization after the declaration. Syntax followed by structure variable dot member1 equals to value1. So in the previous thing, so we have seen, so there must be a one-to-one correspondence between the members and their initializing values, right? So here the title is C programming, book number is 100 and price is 125.0. But here in the initialization after declaration, so we are directly assigning the value of a member here. So it is struct variable dot member1 equals to value1. So we are directly assigning the values to the data members of the structure, right? So in this way we are assigning the values of the structure members. So now let us see the example for the initialization after declaration. Struct to book, that is the structure name, so title, book number and price. So in the main function, so initialization after declaration means, so after the declaration, so here we are declaring it in the main function. So struct to book B1, string copy of B1 dot title. So what is the title? That is C programming. So we are going to copy the string C programming to the title for the book B1. So similarly for the book number of the B1 100 and price is 125 rupees. So like that we are going to initialize the values here for the particular data member of the structure. Okay, so here we are directly assigning it to the data members of the structure. So this is how we are going to initialize after the declaration. Okay, so this is how we can initialize the structure variables. So thanks for watching my video. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.